happy about the because you signed the SPA. He just wanted to find out the clause that was the clause that was removed that says apparently the buyer need to pay for the air for the air flight, the cargo to deliver the consignment to Dubai. He was asking now, is it because you don't want to the people they don't want to pay, or what is the problem?
Well, actually, the problem is basically I send the the forms which you send me to Ajman Emirates Gold Refinery, and the feedback came from Ajman Emirates Gold Refinery, and some other feedbacks were also provided, because there are issues, in receiving the gold and diamonds from Sierra Leone as well as from DRC. Okay, because of the blood diamond and because of the number of issues. All right. So so what the recommendation was that we have our company incorporated in Uganda. Okay, Sam Stickwell Global Uganda is incorporated there as a foreign direct investment company. So what we want is that we want the gold to be coming to Uganda, and you are selling the gold not to Ajman Emirates Gold Refinery, but to our company in Uganda. Okay, our company in Uganda is going to be doing all the processing. All right.
Oh, okay.
So that now that gold becomes made in Uganda gold. Origin is whatever. So he says, well, when your company is sending the gold and it is made in Uganda gold, we won't have any problem in receiving it. So that was the issue.
Oh, okay.
The other issue is very simple. Okay, that whenever the policy has been made based on the fact that even big people, okay, in UAE got scammed in Africa. All right.
Yes.
So that is a problem. So whenever they made a policy, and it's a policy of UAE basically, because I have got a very big client also in UAE who is a very big buyer of gold and diamond. Their policy is that okay, you bring in the gold or diamond legally and ethically into Dubai. We test it. We after testing it, within 72 hours we make the payment. Because what happens is that anything like it has happened to me also, and I have started the research and development work now on how people do scamming.
Yes.
Very recent one is you remember I shared some images in WhatsApp regarding with my name on it and the testing of the bars, etc. So these are the number of things they do to scam you. Now, after all that thing is done, the gentleman is asking me to pay, the testing charges. So he says, okay, you pay me now $1,000 for testing charges. So I said, well, give me an invoice. Give me an invoice, and my company is there. If you send me an official invoice, my company in Sierra Leone is going to pay. Now, no invoice, no nothing. Okay. So that means that, these people are just after whatever they can get, they run away with it, and the gold is never there. And if the gold is there, you never see it.
Okay, yeah, I understand. Now, what do you expect from the seller now? Because the document is already been signed. Now, what do you expect from the seller now? What is the next step?
Simple. I think what we need to do is this. I personally prefer, to set up my company in DRC. Dr. Gilbert looks like a very, very qualified individual. Okay, he already has a gold and diamond mine over there, or gold mine there, right? He's a miner. So if we set up our company there as a foreign direct investment company in Kinshasa, in DRC, then we can legally export the gold, and all the bad name associated with DRC gets eliminated.
Yes.
That is a possibility. Now, now I think the first transaction which we want to do, whatever quantity amount, you talk about, But now it is not, you know, the gold is not going to be coming or flying to Dubai. It is going to be simply coming to Uganda, you know, Kampala.
Okay. No, he got the gold is already in Uganda.
Oh, it is already in Uganda, so there is no problem.
Yeah, it's not in, it's already in Uganda because he got some gold which is in Kenya. Then the 5,000 is in Uganda, but his mine is in DRC. I'll also send you the video of their mine, how they send it to me. So you can see. I will send it on email because on WhatsApp does not.
The size, yeah, I know. I mean, the WhatsApp, please don't send anything on the WhatsApp because, you know, of the file size and it gets hanged up, you know. So send everything on the email. Then I will be actually sending it to, you know, our associates in Uganda. So it's very simple. The gold is in Uganda and it will be simply, you know, we will be taking care of the gold. We will be processing it. And then my company in Uganda, SEMS TQLMA Global, Uganda is going to be shipping, opening up the account also directly with the Ajman Emirates Gold Refinery and shipping the gold processed in Uganda, in Kampala, basically, you know, from our platform. So all that issues related to DRC gets eliminated. And eventually, you know, I would like to definitely, you know, set up my company in DRC, in Kinshasa also.
Oh, okay. No, then it's fine. I will send you his the video of the man, the company registration document and so on to you. And then from there, maybe, and then I need maybe to talk to him tomorrow morning again so we can see how we can connect you with you guys with him. So that you guys can now discuss on how you gonna get close to the goals.
No, I think it would be great because everything is in Uganda. Dr. Gilbert can also come to Uganda, meet our team there. We have just incorporated our company there as a foreign direct investment company, and our directors, etc., you know, is in the process of actually setting up our campus towns, you know, in 3 cities of Uganda. So like I said before, gold is simply our, you know, mode of, you know, backing up our pure gold coin, you know, which I am actually utilizing as a, you know, sort of a medium for doing the transaction. I developed that concept in Uganda, you know, barter trading of our technology, food, everything else you do, use gold as a medium of, you know, currency rather than, you know, paper currency. Because paper currency is always inflationary, you know. So that is the reason we are buying this gold. We may just keep the gold nice in a nice, secure data center, which we will be building in Uganda. So we don't have to really ship it also. Maybe, you know, Ajman refinery like Ajman Emirates Gold can be set it up in Uganda, in Kampala. Why not?
Oh, okay. No, then that is great. That is great. So what I will do is I will just have to inform him. So possibly tomorrow I will maybe have to get in contact with you to inform you that I talked to him about what. But I will inform you on email because I see in WhatsApp you are a very busy man.
Yeah. Please send the email. So email is better communication. Again, I always you know, do my Zoom recordings so that, you know, we know exactly what kind of agreements we have. So this Zoom recording can also be shared with Dr. Gilbert and his team, and I will share it with my team also, so that we know that, I mean, everything will be legally, ethically, and transparently done. Any quantity of gold which you can supply me from DRC, Dr. Gilbert can do it because he is a miner based in DRC. We are going to be processing everything in Kampala, Uganda, and then officially exporting it to Ajman Emirates Gold in Dubai.
Okay, and then the last question that I want to ask is that once everything has been handled in Uganda, will the final payment be done in Dubai or is it in Uganda?
No, I mean, since you are dealing with my company, right? So actually,
yes,
Dr. Gilbert is selling to my company in Uganda. All right.
okay,
And obviously,
okay,
Ajman Emirates Gold, we are selling it to Ajman Emirates Gold. So Ajman Emirates Gold
yes,
is going to be sending the payment to our account in, Sam
okay,
Stiekwelma Uganda account. And Sam Stiekwelma Uganda will be sending the payment, to Dr. Gilbert
okay,
in his
thank
bank
you.
account.
No, okay, then it's good, then it's good.
It's very simple,
So,
right?
and then, yeah, it seems very simple, it seems very simple. So, but of course, we had an agreement that the commission will be paid. He was gonna pay me. The buyer gonna give a
Yeah.
thousand
There is no issue
commission, and
there.
he will also gonna give a 1,000 commission.
Yeah. There is no
So
issue
I
there. Our
would I want that
facilitator,
one to be
yeah, you
directly in
see,
my account? Would possible?
okay,
Okay.
no problem. And I think it can be paid, our commission can be paid again directly since we are dealing with Sam Stiekwelma Uganda. Sam Stiekwelma Uganda is going to be distributing the commissions
Yes.
also.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for that one. I'm very much appreciated, and it seems a very simple deal for us. Will you be able
And
to
I
send me
think it
the?
will be gold transactions, like I said, Jay. It will become very, very simple because, if we open anybody's account, like, in
Yes.
your case, Dr. Gilbert's account and, the forms, etc., which you sent, it was approved by
Yes.
Ajman Emirates Gold, but the condition was this. Okay, so he made the modification that, okay, I mean, because of the issues which we had in the past, it's a UAE policy, it's a government policy, not to send any money in advance to any African countries.
That is
because
good.
of the scammers, I mean, there are so many scammers out there.
Yeah, that is a good thing that you guys are doing. It's
okay,
very
so
good.
Now,
I like that one as well.
And that is the process. Whoever wants to sell the gold, whether it is bullion in metric tons, or door gold from Africa, like we are doing this transaction, simple process is ledger to ledger in Ajman Emirates Gold Refinery. Okay, or ledger to ledger in our Sam's TQL Global Uganda. So we will be setting up our own refinery, our own data center. Everything will be in Uganda, so we don't really have to, ship the gold to anywhere else. We can do all the processing in Uganda, and our company Kyocera will help us set up the best Japanese technology will be applied to set up our data center as well as the refinery.
Okay, thank you. I understand very well. It seems like very, very simple. I like that.
So where are you based, Jay, now?
I'm in Namibia.
Namibia. So how are things in Namibia, and can you represent our company in Namibia also? Same process.
Yeah, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. That's why I'm trying to see if I can get some deal go through so I can.
No. I mean,
be
you don't
able
have to really, Jay. You don't have to worry about it because the process is very simple. Okay, like I said before, we are buying Buffalo Gold Mine in USA. Okay, a $2 billion gold mine we are buying, and I want every African who can join us with our Gamba program of 5,300 PGC, that individual will become the co-owner of the gold mine in USA. They can go and live a good life in USA. So, I mean, who would say no to it? Tell me.
Nobody.
Nobody would say no to it. Even your president would like to go and, live in USA. So from the president to whoever.
But what are the requirements?
Simple. I mean, it's a 5,300 PGC program. You fill out our form. When you look at my document there, which is a Gamba document, which I'm sharing in my WhatsApp message. Look at that document, fill out the form. It's a 5,300 PGC or $7,200 program. You end up in, ownership of the Buffalo Gold Mine, as well as you will be trained by our, in climate smart gold mining in USA.
Okay, so for me, what is required from? So for me, what's required for me just to check on your stuff and then fill in the form.
Fill in the form. So you are officially a TQL Club member, because I'm offering now, you know, for the Eid gift, you know, the holy month is getting over. So will be celebrating Eid, and I'm offering the annual membership free. So, I mean, you don't have to really pay anything also. So annual membership is free. You acquire the annual membership, fill out the form, acquire the annual membership. You can officially represent our company in Namibia. That's it.
Okay, thank you. That I will do. I will do definitely, because I used to.
Okay.
I used to check all your stuff that you are sending. Actually, never know how.
So, you know, let's delight everybody.
Time around, everybody. I will check in it.
Definitely. Please do that. Fill that form out. Annual membership is free. And then, you know, you can officially represent us in Namibia, all the STEM graduates, you know, whoever are in university campuses, who have acquired the degree in science, technology, engineering, and management, they qualify to join our Gemba program, enroll them in our Gemba program, so we can, you know, take them to USA, and they work in our climate smart gold mine in USA campus.
Thank you. I will do that. I will definitely do that.
Please go ahead.
Okay. Will you be able to say? Will you be able to send me the video for the discussion?
Video for what?
This video that as we are talking now, are you not recording them?
I'm recording it, and I will be sharing that with you. So at least it will facilitate you that you can share that video with everybody else, you know, in Namibia and in all your associates. So I think it's a great opportunity, you know, for everybody to become a co-owner of a very, very prestigious $2 billion Buffalo gold mine in Oregon, USA.
So, exactly. Yes.
Okay. So that's a gift we are giving, you know, to everybody, because everybody is, you know, suffering because of COVID-19, and we want to make sure that, you know, in whatever relief we can provide, we will be providing them. And I think it's our duty as a professor to make sure that, you know, we provide the right knowledge, right education, so that, you know, the health care issues can also be solved, as well as the economic issues can also be solved.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Well, for now, I will just have to update. I will just have to update Doctor tomorrow, and then I will send you tomorrow the email that I promised you with the company registration number, or everything, and then we can take it from there.
Definitely, and I will then put you in touch with my team in Uganda, and then you guys can interact and, you know, move forward.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right. Okay. Thanks, Jay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Fine.
Sure thing. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.